Okay, so here I am. I've logged on to Xero, and this is my dashboard, which tells me that in the last 4 weeks I've got 27 transactions in my main bank account and 3 in my credit card that relates to that business. So all I have to do in order to get my transactions entered and allocated right in Xero is reconcile those items. So I click reconcile items, and what you can see is, because of the bank feed, the way that Xero works with the bank feed is my transactions are already there. I haven't logged on to Xero in the last 4 weeks, but you can see that every transaction that's come into my bank account is already here. The first transaction, it's gone. Lauren G paid you $300 on the 18th of April, and Xero knows, because I've set up a rule, that every deposit in my bank account in this account is, I want it to code it automatically to accommodation receipts. So all I'm going to do is click OK. Similarly, any payments made to stays go automatically to stays commissions. So all I do is click OK. And you can see that because I've set up rules, Xero is guessing all the time. It knows that anything with Laverak in the payee automatically goes to cleaning expense. Here's one, though, where Xero hasn't guessed what it is, and that's because it's a one-off. It's a transfer actually to my husband because he paid expense out of his pocket. So it was for the locksmith. So I'm going to type in repairs and maintenance and type locksmith. So you can, although you can automate most things, there's an example of something where occasionally you do have to add the details yourself. So here we are. So I'm just going to go John Stewart reimburse because I'm reimbursing him. There's no reference. There it is, repairs and maintenance, and I click save. You can tell I don't do this all the time. And reconcile, and that takes me back. Alright, here I am. There's a transfer. It's identified. In this case, Xero's going, hey, you've got $170 going out of your bank account that day, but you've had a transfer from your credit card. Shall I match the two? And I go, yep, that's it. And I click OK. There's the receipts all coded. I can see they're fine. It knows when $500 comes in that it's a payment from me. I make that by automatic. It knows that's merchant fees. It knows that's receipts. There's my merchant fees going out again. It knows that pump outs go to my septic. Commissions go to stays. There's a cleaning fee again. Here's another one without an allocation. $450. What was that? Oh, I remember what that was. That's a personal transaction. So I've actually just got to code that to personal. So you can see that Xero does most things, but you know, still sometimes I'm allocating some things myself. So this is an example of one that I'm allocating by hand myself, but it's all pretty quick. So the important thing here, I guess it's so different from if you've used accounting software before, is I haven't done any data entry. All these transactions are here automatically, and all I'm doing is checking the guesses that Xero's made as to where they go. And I go, yep, Telstra. Well, Telstra always goes to telephone expense. That's cool. And I click OK. I'm left with 2. Yes, I remember what that one was. That was $100 that went, and I reimbursed John again. And that was for repairs and maintenance, because he paid cash out of his own pocket again. So I just go save and reconcile, and I've got 150, and that I remember is just another personal transaction, and off it goes. Save transaction and reconcile. So there you can see, I don't know how long this has taken. I'll go back and have a look at the video when I'm finished, but I've managed to allocate all my transactions for the month, and I've simultaneously reconciled it. So the bank statement's reconciled, it's all ready to go. And that is my accounts done for the whole month, and if I want to, I can just have a quick look. Where is it at my profit and loss? And May's not quite finished, we're only the 15th of May at the moment, but April's been finished, and you can see there's my income, there's my cost of sales, there's my rather dismal profit for the month, and I'm making a loss so far for the month here. And that's it. So that's the idea of how bank feeds works, I guess. Alright,